This video is kindly sponsored by Hotu Tools.
Hello friends, Katie here from Salvaged by K. Scott, and I am about to start salvaging my 12-year-old son's bedroom. Welcome back. Usually here on the channel you will find me making over worn out, outdated, and abandoned pieces of furniture, but a few weeks ago I salvaged my 9-year-old son Lincoln's bedroom, and now it is time to work on big brother Ryan's space. This makeover for Ryan's room is going to be just as real as Lincoln's room. We are not tearing out carpet or scraping the popcorn ceilings, but we are doing some reorganizing of the furniture layout and making this space just more functional and a little more grown up for my almost teenager by reusing some of what he's already got along with a few new things. First things first, we needed to clear out this mess so that we had room to work. And as we emptied things out of the space, we went through and decided what could stay, what could be handed down, what was ready for donation, and what just needed to hit the trash. He has an IKEA Hemnes dresser that still has plenty of life in it, and it works well for clothing storage. So we're going to be keeping this and just moving it into a different spot. The matching nightstand, however, is going to get replaced with a new bedside desk. And this little school desk and chair are headed off to the garage as well to get flipped and passed along to someone new. These LED strip lights are the bane of my existence as a mother right now, but once we got the walls wiped down, that damage was a really good opportunity for young Ryan to practice his spackling skills. I decided to bring up the shop vac and my little SurfPrep sander so that we could sand all of our patches smooth without creating too much dust, and that ended up working out perfectly. Then we got to work on prepping for paint. We are going very dark and very moody in here with Behr's charcoal blue-gray color called Nightclub. I think painting a room in such a dark color can definitely be intimidating, but in here it's going to give Ryan a pretty cool look that is both sophisticated and still a little bit fun. I ordered an upholstered headboard from Amazon, and we got to use our brand new Hotu 18-volt brushless drill to assemble it. Hotu was kind enough to send us this drill as well as their cordless screwdriver to try out. This drill is so sleek and modern looking and just perfect for getting things done around the house. It has an intelligent chip, so it stops when your screw is perfectly installed. It's so easy to change out the bits and change up the speed with its LED smart screen. The cordless screwdriver comes in this sleek alloy storage case with 12 bits, an LED light so you can see what you're doing even in tight, dark spots, and it has a 4-stage rotary knob to adjust the torque. Both tools are cordless and their lithium batteries charge with just a simple USB cord. If you want to check out these tools or the rest of Hotu's product lineup, you can find a link in the description box and use code KS for $10 off. Next, it was time to assemble this new IKEA desk that we picked up. There's not a ton of extra space in here, so this desk is going to sit beside his bed and do double duty as a nightstand and a workspace. We literally did not have an inch to spare here, but now Ryan's got a good surface to work on and a spot to keep all of his cords and accessories organized. And speaking of organization, I also grabbed 2 of these headboards while I was at IKEA. I installed the first one here above his desk. I decided to hang the second pegboard on this empty wall, and now he's got a really fun way to display some of his extensive Nerf collection, and I guess it kind of doubles as little boy decor. I think the next time at IKEA I might grab 1 or 2 more of these. All that's left to do in here are the finishing touches, like making up the bed, adding in a chair at the desk, and hanging up a piece of art. I really hope that you enjoyed this quick preteen room makeover and it gave you some inspiration or ideas for your own space. Make sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and I will catch you all next time.